Lesson 4. Read this lesson fluently without spelling out each letter. Be careful to pronounce all harakat accurately. Clearly distinguish between letters that have similar sounds.
Ta, ti, tu, to, ti, tu, za, zi, zu, za, zi, zu, za, zi, zu, za, ضي ضو ف في ثو س سي سو ص صي صو ك كي كو ق طي طو ها هي هو ح حي حو أ إ أو ع عي عو د د دو خ خي خو غ غي غو ب ب بو م مي مو و وي وو ف في فو لا لي لو نا ني نو غ غي غو ج دي جو ش شي شو يا ي يو يا خبير.
If you wish to grow in piety and live according to the Sunnah, make it a constant part of your remembrance.
Masail al-Quran, page 290.
Stages of knowledge. Remaining silent. Listening attentively. Memorizing what has been heard. Acting upon what has been learned. Spreading the knowledge to others.